Hello there. This is just a short video that's been prompted by a request from Sally, one of my course people who's just finished a course lately. She sent me an email saying, can I share photos that are on my computer and my laptop with my iPhone? Now I know that Sally has already on her iPhone put the Google Photos app at my suggestion. She had a Gmail account and I suggested that the best way to share her photos around between different devices, because she had a Gmail account, was by using Google Photos. So she's put Google Photos on her iPhone and she's ticked a box in that app that means that whenever she takes a picture on her iPhone, it automatically gets uploaded to Google Photos. Now, having said that, she's saying she's got photos already on her desktop and on a laptop and she wants to share them with her iPhone. So what I'm going to show her is how to transfer photos or images from your desktop or from your laptop onto Google Photos. Okay, so in the background here you can see I've got a Google web page. So let's go to that now. There's the Google web page, and what I want to do first is go to Google Photos, and to do that, in the top right corner here, well actually before I mention that, one important thing of course is that you've got to be logged into Google. Now you can tell that I am because I've got my photo there. Another way to tell that would be if you've got your initials in the top corner. If it says login in the top corner, then you need to click on that and log into your Gmail account. Okay, so I'm logged into my Gmail account. That means that if I click on this icon, which is usually called the waffle because it looks like the top of a waffle, and then we click on the Photos app, that opens the Photos app, and these are all photos in my Google Photos account. Okay, so what I want to do is transfer some photos that are on my desktop computer into this Google Photos account, because once they're transferred into this Google Photos account, I will be able to see them on my phone as well using the Google Photos app. Okay, so what we need to do next is look at the photos that are on the computer. So I'm just going to resize this window with the Google Photos app. There it is, a bit smaller, and whoops, and I'm going to open using this icon down here at the bottom, the File Explorer. So I'm going to click on that. There's the File Explorer window. Just move that over a touch so we're not interfering, and it's always best really when you're on this to start with this PC. So have we got this PC here, have we? No, we haven't. So I'm just going to use the up arrow there to go up, and then we can now see this PC. And I'll open that by double clicking. Now, having opened this PC, we can see we've got the pictures folder here. So that is the pictures folder for my desktop. I open that by pointing at the folder and double clicking. There are all my pictures. Let's go into my sales folder because I know there's quite a lot of pictures in there. And we'll pick on one folder. Let's use this one. And there we've got some pictures of a camera. Okay, so what I want to do is copy those pictures from there into my Google Photos account online, on the internet so to speak. And once I've done that, then if I open the Google Photos app on my phone, those same photos will show up. And if I wanted to, I could download them onto my phone. So if I just wanted one, I could click on that. Remember, this is on the computer, on the desktop, and I could drag that into there and let go, and as you can see from the icon here on the edge of the picture, it says copy. It would copy it onto that website, onto Google Photos. So that's a single one. If you wanted all of these, let's say you had a block of photos, you do that by clicking on the first one, holding down the Shift key on your keyboard and clicking on the last one, and then pointing at any of them and dragging them into the Google Photos window. As you can see from that icon, I'm not going to let go just yet, that says I'm copying 8 photos into Google Photos. Come back again just to stop that. If you wanted individual photos, rather than using the Shift key, so we click here, hold down Shift and click here to get all of them, you'd click on the first one that you want. Let's say we wanted every second one. We'd click on that one. Then instead of Shift, you hold down the Control key, CTRL, and then you click on the other pictures you want. So I would want that one and that one and that one. And then the action's the same. You just point at one of the photos you've selected and drag them into the window. This time I'll let go. When you do that, it tells me here that we are uploading to Google Photos and we've got the 4 photos uploaded. It confirms that there. Okay, and they are then in Google Photos and they would be viewable from your mobile phone if you had the Google Photos app. Okay, now just a quick word for those people that are, let's say, against Google and don't want to use Google, or they might have a different type of phone that doesn't suit Google or an older version of a phone. Another alternative way of doing it is to use Microsoft OneDrive, which works in pretty much the same way. And if you go to Google and just Google uploading photos to OneDrive, they will show you the same method using OneDrive instead of Google Photos. Either way, it's a reasonably straightforward way of sharing your photos between different devices. Have a go yourself, see how it works.